Are you looking for a halal way to invest in the stock market without picking individual stocks? In this video, I'll share the best halal ETFs for beginners that provide diversification, steady growth, and Sharia compliance. Let's get started. An ETF, exchange-traded fund, is a collection of stocks bundled into one investment. A halal ETF follows Islamic finance principles, meaning it excludes companies involved in haram industries, no alcohol, gambling, pork, tobacco, or banks. Excessive debt: companies must have a debt-to-assets ratio below 33%. Interest-based earnings: interest income must be less than 5% of total revenue. With a halal ETF, you get diversification, lower risk, and easy investing without needing to research individual stocks. 1. SBUS S&P 500 Sharia ETF tracks the Sharia-compliant companies in the S&P 500. Includes Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, excluding banks and haram sectors. Strong long-term growth with exposure to the US market. Great for beginners who want safe and steady growth. 2. HLAL WAD FTSE USA ETF focuses on US-based halal stocks. Includes tech giants, healthcare, and consumer goods companies. Low expense ratio, low fees. More money stays invested. Great for passive investors who want easy diversification. 3. ISDU iShares MSCI World Islamic ETF provides exposure to global halal stocks, not just the US. Invests in Sharia-compliant companies in Europe, Asia, and the US. Diversified across multiple countries and industries. Perfect for investors who want international exposure. 4. SBRE S&P Global Right Sharia ETF. A real estate investment ETF that focuses on halal-compliant rights. Generates passive income through real estate dividends. Great for investors who prefer real estate investing. Best for passive income seekers. Investing in a halal ETF is a smart choice for beginners because diversification: own shares in multiple halal companies at once. Lower risk, less volatile than investing in single stocks. Easy to invest, no need for constant stock research. Long-term growth: ETFs historically outperform individual stock picking. To start investing in halal ETFs, follow these steps. Choose a brokerage: platforms like Interactive Brokers or Trading 212. Check their links in the description. Search for the ETF ticker, example, SBUS, HLAL, ISDU. Decide how much to invest: use dollar cost averaging to invest regularly. Hold for long-term growth, avoid panic selling, let your money grow. In Islamic finance, some earnings from halal stocks or ETFs may come from non-compliant sources, like interest-based income. To ensure your investments remain 100% Sharia compliant, you need to purify your profits by donating a portion to charity. Many scholars recommend purifying the percentage of revenue that comes from non-halal sources, which you can find in Sharia compliant investment reports. Want to start investing? Check the links in the description. If you want a safe, halal way to invest, these ETFs are perfect for beginners. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing and Islamic finance tips.